How to blur face in your Picsart account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to blur face in your Picsart. So to do this, you need to go ahead and open up your Picsart first thing first, and then you need to tap the plus icon at the bottom and let me go ahead and locate the photo where you actually want to go ahead and remove or blur the photo. I'm gonna just go ahead and select the one. So let me go with this one. Now when you actually loaded the particular image which you want to go ahead and blur the face, then press the effect button located at the bottom, and you need to go with the motion blur at the bottom. So as you can see that the motion blur has been added, and now what next you need to do is you just have to go ahead and press the button from the top right, and then you need to press on this. Then you need to go with the invert here. Now once you've done this here, you need to go and select the area where you actually want to blur it. Just do this just like that, and once you've actually done it, so the blur tool will be applied. So this way you could go ahead and blur. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.